You might think retirement planning is something you could start in your 50s or 60s, but by then you've already lost decades of opportunity. Think about it. Do you really want to work until 65 or 70 just because you didn't start soon enough? Most people don't fail to retire comfortably because they didn't save at all. They fail because they waited too long to get serious about it. If you're under 59, this message is for you. The financial choices you make today will determine how soon you can retire and how much freedom you'll have. So today, I'm going to walk you through 5 crucial steps wealthy retirees took before hitting 59 that allowed them to build a secure retirement while minimizing taxes and maximizing income streams. These are get-rich-quick strategies. These are proven financial moves you can take to ensure you're not working longer than you have to. Hi, if you're here, I'm Nathan Sealey, founder of Brass Ring Wealth Management. I spent my career helping clients build and protect their wealth by structuring tax-efficient investment strategies so they can keep more of what they earn. If you're in your 30s, 40s, or even early 50s, the financial choices you make right now will determine how soon you can retire and how much freedom you have. So let's get into it. Start treating retirement like a deadline, not a distant idea. One of the biggest mistakes younger professionals make is treating retirement as something that they'll figure out later. Wealthy retirees did something different. They set a specific retirement goal and worked backward to achieve it. So here's how this works. Instead of saying, I'll retire someday, you set a specific target date by 55 or 60. You calculate how much money you'll need per year to maintain your lifestyle. You work backward to determine how much to invest each year to get there. Step 2, max out tax-advantaged accounts as early as possible. The wealthiest retirees don't just save money. They use the right accounts to minimize taxes and maximize long-term growth. You should prioritize things like a 401k or 403b, contributing at the very least up to your employer match. But if you can't afford it, max it out, $23,000 in 2024. Even better, Roth IRAs. Invest up to $7,000 per year. This grows 100% tax-free. HSAs are health savings accounts. If you have a high-deductible health plan, this is a triple tax-advantaged account that wealthy retirees love. Why it matters? Tax-advantaged accounts protect your investments from unnecessary taxes, allowing you to keep more of what you earn. The earlier you start, the longer your money compounds. Step 3, stop relying on a 401k alone. Build multiple income streams. 401k is a great tool, but it shouldn't be your only retirement income source. Wealthy retirees diversify their income streams so they aren't dependent on just one account. They build taxable brokerage accounts, which offer more flexibility than 401ks and allow for early withdrawals as needed. They use real estate investments. Rental properties can provide long-term income, even if they're just a small part of your portfolio. Side businesses. Many wealthy retirees build consulting businesses, dividend income, or passive cash flow sources that continue into retirement. A more realistic example of real estate might be a 45-year-old buys one rental property every 3 to 5 years. By the age 60, they have 3 to 5 properties, each generating a few hundred to a couple $1,000s per month after expenses. This supplements the retirement savings, getting them more income flexibility. It doesn't require becoming a real estate mogul, just making strategic investments over time. Step 4, get serious about Roth conversions before tax rates rise. Most people assume tax rates will stay the same, but historically, tax brackets have increased over time. Wealthy retirees plan ahead by moving money into tax-free accounts before rates go up. Here's how Roth conversions work. If you have money in a traditional IRA or 401k, consider converting a portion of it into a Roth each year. Yes, you pay taxes now, but once converted, that money grows tax-free forever. This means you won't owe taxes on those funds in retirement, no matter how much they grow. For example, a 50-year-old converts $20,000 per year from a traditional IRA into a Roth IRA while staying in a lower tax bracket. By the time they retire at 60, they have a large Roth balance they can withdraw from completely tax-free. This move reduces future tax burdens and gives them more flexibility for distributions in retirement. 5. Reverse engineer your future lifestyle, not just a savings goal. Most people think retirement planning means hitting a savings number, but the wealthiest retirees focus on building the lifestyle that they actually want. Instead of asking, how much do I need to retire? Ask, what do I want my daily life to look like? What hobbies, travel, or experiences matter most to me? How much income do I need to sustain that lifestyle? For example, if your goal is to spend 6 months a year traveling, you might need more liquid savings versus tying everything up in real estate. If you want more time with family, you may need a part-time income stream to ease into retirement. If you want to retire early, you'll need a clear, tax-efficient withdrawal strategy to avoid penalties. By reverse engineering your future lifestyle, you ensure that your retirement isn't just about having money, it's about having the freedom to enjoy it. If you're under 59, you still have time to take control of your future retirement. But the longer you wait, the harder it gets. Wealthy retirees don't just save money, they build strategic, tax-efficient plans that create freedom decades before traditional retirement age. If you want to make sure your retirement strategy is optimized, book a call with me using the link in the description below. We'll go over your tax strategies and investment plan to ensure you're on track for early financial freedom. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest concern about retirement right now?